We're going to begin the second video of 7.5 with a problem that's going to show up on the quiz and on the test. These two triangles, FEJ and KLH, are similar triangles, and you're given that EH is 8, HJ is 7, JL is 3, and that the altitude of this triangle, KJ, is 6. My goal, find the other altitude. Because they're proportional, or because they're similar, the altitudes are proportional just like the side lengths. So x over 6, and the big side of this triangle is not 8, but it's actually 8 and 7 together, 15. In the small triangle, it's 7 and 3 together, or 10. Then we have 10x equals 90, so x equals 9. And as we go forward, we're going to look at the angle bisector theorem in this. We have a couple examples that we're going to do and talk about just a new property dealing with angle bisectors in one triangle. So if I draw this angle bisector, it splits the sides in a way that they are proportional to the side next to them. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in the next slide. So I want to find the value of x. And the way I do this, because this is an angle bisector, the left side of the triangle is proportional to the right side of the triangle. So 15 over x is equal to 30 over 20. I always try splitting it along the angle bisector and know the left side is one fraction, the right side is the other fraction. Got 300 equals 30x, so x equals 10. Same type of example. I'm going to split this, and I'm going to use the top and the bottom as two separate fractions. So 17 over 11 and x plus 7 over x. When I cross multiply, I get 11x plus 77 equals 17x. 77 equals 6x. When I take 77 and divide by 6, I get that x is 12.83. It says write it as a mixed number. That is 12 and 5/6. If you wrote 12.83, I'll still count it. And the last example that we have looks like this. I give you that the entire base of this triangle is 28. So if this part here is x, this part here is 28 without the x, 28 minus x. So we're going to set up a proportion 20 over 28 minus x and 30 over x. When we cross multiply, 28 times 30, you get 840 minus 30x equals 20x. I'm going to add 30x to both sides. 840 equals 50x. So I get that x is 16.8. So if I had to find both of those sides, I know that this one here is 16.8, and I know that this one is 28 minus 16.8, or 11.2.